Hi, I'm Birdman Mel, and today we're going to talk about owls. As we film this segment in the first week of spring, many of the birds around us are just starting to nest. But did you realize that many owls in the U.S. are almost done nesting? In fact, the great horned owl is the earliest nesting native bird. They start nesting all the way back in January. Owls do this because it's when the leaves are off the trees in the forest, in wooded areas, and the fields are very barren. This change of nature makes this the best hunting time for owls, as they can more easily see their prey, especially on moonlit nights. Because of this, the females can obtain top body condition, and this leads to their best time for reproductive success. While there are overall 19 different owls located in various parts of America, the four most commonly seen are probably the barn owl, the great horned owl, the barred owl, and the eastern and western screech owl. Many birders refer to the great horned owl as the five-hooter, as it often uses 5 distinct syllables in its most commonly heard call, while the barred owl is called the eight-hooter, as it often utilizes 8 different syllables. The barred owl is commonly recognized by its "who cooks for you all" call. A great family activity is a walk in the woods utilizing an owl call like this one. You'll find you'll have best success in late winter nights getting an owl to answer back. While many owls are cavity nesters, in most places screech owls and barn owls are the ones that will most commonly utilize a man-made nesting box. Place a box like this one as high as you can on the side of a large tree or barn. The barn owl box would fasten inside the barn with an opening to the outside. If you want to learn more about owls, this book, North American Owls by Willow Creek Press, is a great reference. It even includes a CD with all the calls of all 19 owls found in North America. You can use the CD in a portable player to help you call the owls in your area. Owls are great neighbors to have, as they are fierce hunters of rodents, including mice. Keep your eyes and ears open this evening. There's nothing more thrilling than the sight of an owl gliding by. Perhaps you'll find out who cooks for you all. You'll find it's worth a hoot to help owls in your backyard.